Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X30 and today I will show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card and vice versa. And to get started, let's open up the Files app, which is for me right over here. Let's continue, and then at the bottom you should see your two storages. Now I'm also located in the browse category right here. So let's start by going into the internal storage, and then here we will have a bunch of folders. Now photos, videos are located under the DCIM folder, and downloads folder will have anything that I have downloaded on this device. Kind of like images, documents, anything like that will be saved into here. And majority of the other folders are occupied either, are primarily empty or occupied by you if you have placed something in there. So let me quickly, it's not here, let me quickly check if my photos are here, and there they are. So once you find your files, you want to select them, and you do it by simply holding them, becomes selected like so, and you can tap on additional ones if you want to move more. Now once you have it selected, tap on the three dots right here and choose to either move it or copy it. Now obviously move will completely remove those files from here and move them to a new location, while copy will create additional set of them. So select whichever one you want. Once you tap on either one of them, it will bring up this window right here, so choose where you want to move it to. I'm gonna select SD card to keep it different, and from here you can navigate into a specific folder if you want to move it somewhere specifically, or you can just simply, for instance, drop it right here in the SD card, right in the middle of it basically. So allow access, allow, and there we go. As you can see, we're now still in the folder where just a second ago there were pictures in here, and now they're gone. So those pictures are now located in the SD card right over here. So that is how you remove any kind of file. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.